Hi friends, welcome to Finspirations 9. I am Sunil Thakker. Israel-Hamas conflict on the stock market. I was posed this question last night as markets are bracing themselves to face the impact of this war. I call it war because the likes of these have not been felt in that region in nearly 50 years. As far as the reports we have received until now, this is simply put a ghastly attack. Obviously, the fear amongst people is not unfounded. Two indicators will decide the shape of the market. One is crude oil. This had come down below $85 last week, but now could jump vertically. It is, as I am recording this, has jumped up by nearly 3.8% up to $88. Secondly, during any crisis, investors look for a safe haven. There are two, the US dollar and gold. Both these are only slightly up at the moment. In fact, the price of oil may be a good way to assess the likelihood of a broader conflict. Dow futures are showing a 200 points fall on the back of a potential fear trade that could push up crude oil prices, at least in the short term. The Israeli stock market, which was open yesterday, slumped nearly 6%. However, the Australian stock market, which usually reflects the mood of the global trend, is actually trading up 0.5%. The next big giant, India, will wake up soon, and Indian stocks may open lower on today, in line with other global stock indices. Several Indian companies which have substantial investments and operations in Israel are likely to face hardships. These are 1. L&T, which has a center of excellence in Jerusalem. Also, L&T Technology Services has a presence in Jerusalem. 3. Jain Irrigation has a subsidiary in Israel. 4. Wipro has an Israeli company. 5. Sun Pharma has a stake in Israel's pharmaceutical sector. 6. Adani Port has a huge stake in Israel's Haifa port. 7. SBI has a branch in Tel Aviv. 8. Loya Group has acquired an Israeli company in the aerospace and defense sector. There are a few more, but the above are the ones which have a significant presence in Israel. Keep a lookout for all these as the week starts now. But as is the want and what recent history has pointed out in the turn of events with the Ukraine-Russia war, life has not only gone on, but has also shown that the markets are reaching newer heights. But for investors, fear not, for this too shall pass. More often than not, there have also tended to be buying opportunities in the stock market. For traders, it's a different story altogether. Safe investing, stay inspired.